You just said, should you cut this back? You've got two. They're panicle hydrangeas.
Right.
They're reaching for the sun.
Yes.
You said, well, should I cut them back? There's no growth at the bottom. But that's not really how these work. The new growth comes off the branches.
Oh,
There are these little buds. These will turn into the new growth on which buds will appear for the flowers for this year. So you can cut all this down. Actually, because it's so sparse and this is so shady, it might benefit from really blowing it down very low.
okay.
Yeah. And
so
then
how low?
I mean, you could do anything. You could leave each of these guys and literally like cut down here,
Oh.
here, here.
Okay.
Or you could go here, 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 here,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Try to go right above a node.
Okay.
Then that will result in fewer stubs.
Okay.
Okay? But that's
And
what I
cover
would
it
do
up.
there. You have a lot of freedom with this. You can do whatever you
Oh,
want.
good. Well, that's good to know.
Yeah. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Harsh. But this will foster the upward growth.